tick. If your turn signal suddenly starts blinking really fast, that's your car sending you an SOS. A lot of people rush straight to the mechanic, but honestly, this is something you can fix yourself in about 5 minutes. And today, I'm going to show you how I fixed it for just $4 at Walmart. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a situation most drivers run into at some point. I was driving down the road getting ready to change lanes, so I flicked on my blinker. But then, something felt off. Tick, 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 tick. The blinking sound was way faster than usual, like a racing heartbeat. What the heck is going on? If this is your first time experiencing it, it can be confusing. But really, this is your car's way of sending you a message. And that message is basically, hey, your turn signal bulb is out. Go check it. Most of the time, that rapid blinking means the bulb in that circuit has burned out, or there's a bad contact or ground connection. So today, using my 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, I'll walk you step by step through how to diagnose this problem and replace the bad bulb. Step 1, find the problem. The first thing you need to do is figure out which side has the issue. Start your car, flip your blinkers left and right, and get out to look at your taillights. When I turned on my left blinker, tick, 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 way too fast. When I turned on the right one, tick, 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 totally normal. So clearly, the issue is on the left side.
Looking closer at the left tail light, you'll see there are 3 bulbs, top, middle, and bottom. When I turned on the blinker, the left bottom bulb didn't light up at all.
That's our culprit. Quick note, I filmed the before and after comparison at night in a dark area so you can clearly see the difference, but I actually replaced the bulb during the day in a safe spot. Keep that in mind if you're doing this yourself. Step 2, safety first. Now that we know where the problem is, let's talk safety before doing any work. Park the car on level ground, turn the engine off, and take the key out. If you want to be extra cautious, disconnect the negative terminal on your battery since we're dealing with electrical parts. Step 3, remove the taillight housing. Open your tailgate. On the inside edge of the taillight, you'll see 2 screws. Depending on your truck, you might need a Phillips screwdriver, the regular crosshead, or a Torx T15 bit. Check ahead of time so you've got the right tool. Remove both screws, then pull the housing straight back. Important tip, don't twist or yank side to side. The housing has 2 pins that snap into place, so you need to pull it out in a straight line, like sliding out a drawer. Step 4, identify the socket and remove the bulb. With the housing off, look at the back. You'll see 3 sockets, top, middle, and bottom. The bottom one is the turn signal we already diagnosed. On this Silverado model, depending on the trim or part replacements, the bulb rolls can vary a bit, but since we already confirmed it's the bottom socket, we're good to go. Twist the socket counterclockwise to remove it, then pull the bulb straight out. In my case, the bulb was a 3157, so I'll be replacing it with the same one. Step 5, buy the new bulb. I headed to Walmart. In the auto section, there's a chart with all the bulb types by car, make, model, and year. Looking up my truck, 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500, it shows the turn signal bulb is indeed a 3157. Perfect match. The packaging clearly says 3157, and the pack comes with 2 bulbs, so you'll have a spare for next time. You can also scan the QR code on the display if you want to double-check compatibility. Step 6, install the new bulb. Take the new 3157 bulb out of the package. Pro tip, try not to touch the glass with your fingers. The oils can shorten the bulb's life. If the socket contacts look dirty or oxidized, give them a quick wipe with a dry cloth or contact cleaner. Now, insert the new 3157 bulb straight into the socket, put the socket back into the housing, and twist clockwise until it locks. Remember, counterclockwise to remove, clockwise to secure. Step 7, test and reassemble. Before putting everything back, test it. Turn on the left blinker again. Tick, 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 back to normal speed. And look at that, the bottom bulb lights up perfectly now. Once you confirm it's working, slide the housing back in, line up the pins, and screw it back into place. If it still doesn't work, if you replace the bulb and the problem's still there, check. 1. The other bulbs on the same side. 2. The socket contacts and ground connection. 3. The fuse. And one more thing. If you swapped your halogen bulbs for LEDs, sometimes the system thinks the bulb is burned out because LEDs draw less power. That can cause hyperflash, which is the fast blinking. In that case, you'll need a load resistor or LED-compatible fix to fix the hyperflash. Frequently asked questions. Question 1. How can I find the correct bulb size for my car? Most vehicles require a specific bulb type. You can check your owner's manual, look it up in the bulb guide at auto parts stores like AutoZone or Walmart, or scan the QR code often found on the bulb display. Make sure the new bulb matches the exact number. Question 2. Do I really need to disconnect the battery before replacing a bulb? It's not absolutely necessary, but it's a good safety step. Disconnecting the negative terminal on your battery ensures there's no chance of a short circuit while you're working with the wiring. Question 3. Why shouldn't I touch the glass part of the bulb when installing it? The natural oils from your fingers can leave residue on the glass. When the bulb heats up, those spots may get hotter than the rest of the surface, which can shorten the bulb's life or cause it to fail prematurely. Question 4. What does it mean if both turn signals are blinking fast? If both sides are blinking rapidly, the issue is usually not a single bulb. It could mean the flasher relay is failing, or there's a problem with the body control module. In rare cases, multiple bulbs on both sides may have burned out at the same time. Questions 5. What should I check if the turn signal still blinks fast after replacing the bulb? First, inspect the socket for corrosion or loose contacts. Next, check the ground connection and the fuse. If you're using LED bulbs, the system may detect the lower current draw as a burned out bulb. In that case, you'll need a load resistor or LED-compatible fix to fix the hyperflash. That's it. My blinker speed is totally back to normal. We just replaced the left bottom taillight bulb on a 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500 in a few simple steps. So, if your blinker starts flashing too fast, don't panic. Just figure out which side is the issue, swap the bulb, and you're back on the road safely. With a quick trip to Walmart and less than $5, you can take care of it yourself. Small fixes like this go a long way in keeping your car safe and visible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll be back with more tips next time. Drive safe out there.